Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram app not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram app not working, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram and you will enter. Then in this page here you will go to click first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. Sorry for that. We'll go to storage here, Telegram, and first stop and storage. Then in this page, you will click clear cache. After that, you will go to manage storage. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.